Hello everyone, this is Prashant Mahajan from All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology. In this video, we'll be looking at the organization of memory in PIC microcontroller. PIC microcontroller is designed by a company named Microchip, and they have basically three types of microcontrollers in their lineup. Uh, One is 8-bit microcontroller, the second one is a 16-bit microcontroller, and a third is 32-bit microcontroller. In an 8-bit microcontroller, there are different flavors, PIC 10, PIC 12, PIC 16, and PIC 18 microcontroller. In this video, we'll be taking a look at PIC 18 microcontroller. In PIC 18 microcontroller, you have a different set of microcontrollers which are available. So we'll be taking a look at one of the microcontrollers in PIC 18, which is PIC 18F458. These microcontrollers vary in the features. Some of the features they vary in the which is there in the microcontroller. So we'll be looking at a specific microcontroller in this video. This diagram represents the memory organization of a generalized PIC18 microcontroller, which has a 21-bit program memory, or rather 21-bit program memory address. So PIC18 microcontroller can address 2 raised to 21, which is 2 megabyte of program memory, and it has a 12-bit address for data memory. So the total memory which it can address data memory is 2 raised to 12, which is 4 kilobytes. The data bus for program memory, as you can see, is 16-bit, and the data bus for data memory is 8-bit. The controller that we are dealing with in this lecture is PIC 18F458. So the complete 2 megabyte of memory is not used in that controller. So in PIC 18F458, 32 kilobytes of program memory is present, and the data memory which is available is 1.3 kilobytes, that is 1536 bytes. Now the memories which are available for PIC microcontroller, which are there in PIC microcontroller, is one is ROM, which we have seen. It is a 32 kilobyte of memory. This memory used to store the programs. Then you have RAM, which is used to store the temporary data. And if you have some data which the program user wants to store in the controller, which does not change often, then you also have an EEPROM, which is there in the PIC controller, and the size is 256 bytes. Now the program memory, the instruction size in PIC microcontroller is 16-bit, or in some instructions it is 32 bytes. So the the 2 megabyte of program memory is organized in a way which is shown on the right hand side, in which in which the even addresses hold the higher byte and the odd addresses hold the lower byte of the instruction. And the program counter, which is a 21-bit register, is used to access the contents of program memory. The program counter will get incremented by 2, or it will get incremented by 4 because two memory locations are required to hold one instruction, or in some cases, four memory locations are required. So this is how the program memory is organized. Then we'll take a look at the data memory organization. Now, in data memory organization, the addresses start from 000H and it will go up to FFFH. So these are the 12, it has a 12-bit address bus, therefore the starting address is 000, ending address is FFF. This memory is divided into 16 register banks, bank 0 to bank 15, and each register is of 256 bytes. If you take a look at the first bank, the memory, the addresses start from 000 and they go up to 0FF. The second bank starts from 100, goes up to 1FF, and the last memory bank, which is the 16th memory bank, starts from F00, goes up to FFF. Now, all these register banks will not be available in all the controllers in PIC18 family. So, the controller that we are studying in this video is PIC 188458, which has 1.5 kilobytes of memory. So, the memory which is available will be from 000 to 5FF, and if you see the first part of bank 0, which is 000 to 05F, and some part of the bank 15, which is F60 to FFF, constitute what is called as an access bank. So whenever you write a program, you can either use the access bank, or you can use any of the register banks which are available. In a direct addressing mode, the controller uses 8 bits of addresses. So if it has to access any register in the data memory, which is called as a file register, it will work with a 12-bit address. It will work with an 8-bit address, and the most significant 4 bits will be taken from a register called as bank select register if you're working with one of the register banks. And if you're working with the access bank, then for the part 000 to 05F, the first 4 bits will be 0, and for area from F60 to FFF, the first 4 bits will be taken as F, that is 1111. So this is how the data memory is organized. Okay, so this was what was there as far as the memories are concerned in PIC microcontroller. Thank you.